Hello friends, welcome back to School Management System in Laravel. Last video I will show you how to make a mark register in teacher side. Right now I log in as the admin, but in this video we can continue mark register in a student side, means exam result. So we need to show exam result in a student side. So student can see his mark. Suppose whatever mark here we are adding, like anytime we are saving, so same time we need to show in a student side. So student can see his results. So we need to log in the student account. After we need to create a new menu here like a exam results, and after I click on the menu, so he can see it like exam wise his result, like exam first, exam 2, exam 3, whatever exam he can provide it, this is the result he can see it. Let's show you step by step how we can do. So first of all we need to log in as a student. Suppose this student we have added some marks and already he is a pass, so let's try to this student 1 we can log in and do his site code. So let's go to student 1 here. So what is the student1.test.com. I log out and I log in as a student1 at the test.com, and I think it's password 123456. Okay, now I log in. Now we need to create my exam timetable. After I create like a exam results, so after I click on the exam results, so we need to show his results using the like how we can show like a table wise we can show. Let's show you after we can understand. Okay, like this looks good, not good. Okay, so go to resources, inside need to go views, inside you need to go layouts, inside you need to click on the header.blade.php. so we need to create a new menu in a student side. Let's make some zoom out so we can show clearly. Let's go down. Okay, this is the parts of the examination. So admin, here is the student. So let's create a new. After my calendar I copy and I go down my exam timetable bottom. I can create a like a exam results, and also I can change my exam results. And also we can make segments, so he's an active class, work very well this reason. And I think I can set my exam results, so look like a better, because we have always my calendar, my subjects. So same thing, my exam results. Let's refresh the page. So you can see it like a new menu here created, my exam results. I click on the my exam results, so you can see it like this is a routes not found. So let's create this routes in a web.php, and exam means a student role inside. So just go down and you can copy same things and just put here, because we need to always go to examination controller, because this is the all part we did about examination, exam related. So examination controller inside, so my exam results. Okay, I just go, let's me make like proper like this. Okay, so examination controller inside I need to create a new function, my exam results. Just go down and make here like a comment student side, and here we need to create a function my exam results, and we need to return view parent. Inside we need to create a new file, not student side, student. I think same thing we did up. Let's go up, because this is the parent side, this is the teacher side, also this is the student side, so we can put here. Okay, just remove, and here we can make same thing, we can copy here and put bottom. Okay, and here we can change the title my exam result, and here also we can change to my exam results, and we can create this file in a resources views. Inside need to go students and create a new file my exam results. Okay, so I save these files and I go back and I refresh the page. So let's see is working, not working. So working very well, so no issue. Let's copy any other files. Let's go to my subject and I copy. Okay, and I paste here and I just remove this is the for each loop, otherwise generate the error. This reason I am removing. Okay, and also I remove some space because this space not usable. And here we have made a like a include function. We don't need here include function about the messaging, so just remove these messages functions, and I think it's good now. And just we can remove also everything's. Okay, now it's good. Let's go back again, refresh the page. So you can see like my subject we need to change to my exam result. So just we can change here my exam result. So you can see like exam results, my exam results, and here we can show like I can create a one dummy records, so we can easily understand this, because I can copy like one here we need to show like a exam name, after here need to show like a subject, and after we need to show all the mark like homework mark, full work mark, whatever mark we add inside database. Let's open the database, mark registers. So this is the mark we need to show here, like class work, homework, test work, and exam work. This mark we can show, and last one we can show like total score and passing mark and full mark. So we can understand, okay, this is the mark for passing, this is the full mark. I think we can show one by one everything. So let's continue and I can show you. Okay, so just go back again, and first of all what we need to do for this table inside, we need to get a student id. Again we need to get the all the exam id, because we need an exam id, because we need to print here exam 1. Suppose exam here is only one record there, suppose here is a two record there for same students, so we need to show two results for exam 1, exam 2, whatever result there. Suppose I go to my exam timetable, so you can see it here. You see first terms, second terms, same like we need to show here. So we know, okay, this is the exam, this is the mark, and this is the exam for these marks. Okay, so let's go to back to controller, and we need to create another function, means another model inside. We need to create a new function and get a exam id. So just we need to use like which table is there, mark register. So get exam is equal to mark register model, and we just pass get exam, and here we can pass like a student id, auth user id, means is a whatever user login, this id means here is the login is a student id, so I pass here student id. I just go his controller and I can create a new function, otherwise need to go. So app model inside you can see mark register model.com model.php.com, and here you can see I have call create a new function, and with I pass one parameter like a student id. Okay, static functions, and here I can type like a student id. Just we need to pass like return mark register select mark register dot star. Here we can make a join query, sorry join query, join exam exam.id mark register.id. So here I get a exam name. So suppose I can pass here like a exam.name as a exam name. Okay, because this is the table already created here exam, so we have made a join query with this id exam id to exam name. Okay, so just is good now. Just we can make like where mark register dot student id dollar student id, because we have passed already one parameter here, you can see it. And we can make a group by mark register dot exam id. So we can just go to only whatever exam there, and just we can pass here like get. Okay, So now everything is good. Just go back again and let's make a dd here, so we can check data get cannot get. Okay, let me show you again function, because I am moving very quick, so I think sometimes user typing, so you can see it here. Okay, so just go back again and refresh the page and we can check data get cannot get. I just refresh the page now, so you can see it one error gets like a exam first time 2022 to 2023. So here we need to create a one for each loop. So dollar result is equal to array for each has a dollar value, dollar data dot e means exam. Okay, is equal to array, and we need to pass here like exam name is equal to value dot exam name. Okay, now we need to get our all these subjects for this exam. What is the mark is available inside a database. So we need to make another query inside a mark register. So just we can change here to copy, and we can change here get subjects, get exam subjects, and also you can change here get exam subject, and here you need to pass like exam id and whatever user you are login means a student id. So we can pass here two parameter exam ids. Here you can see it like a exam id, so we have passed is a exam id, and we also we need to pass like a student id, so we can get only his data. So let's create inside new function. You just need to copy above one and put bottom, and just change here like a get exam subject, and here you can pass like a exam id, because first parameter is a exam id. So just exam id. So if we don't want to need a like group by, just we can change here exam id to exam id. We have already made for a exam id join query, so now we need to make another join query for subjects. So subject dot id and mark register inside subject id, and so we need to get the data about subject means subject name. So here we can pass like a subject dot name as a subject name. Okay, so let's go back again and I can show you. So you can see it like here is a query, like first we have made like a join query for a exam, second one is like subject, and after I made like two where query like exam id against exam and student id against student id. Okay, so just go back and we can make dd for this one, so I can show you, because looping wise we will get a idea about the exam id. Okay, just go down and open. So you can see it like a subject name I get, with I get like classwork marks, homework mark, test work mark, exam work mark, and created by and whatever there, this mark we are getting here. So no issue now, you see working very well. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to get also like here like a passing mark and full mark. So we know okay this is the passing mark and this is the full mark. So which table I need to go, so I can check. We need to go exam scheduling. Exam scheduling inside we need to make a two join query, exam id and class id and subject id. Suppose this is a three join query work, after we can get the data about the exam scheduling inside like a passing mark and full mark, with I get the exam time and start time end time. Okay, so we need to make like exam id against join query, class id against join query, and subject id against join query. So I get whatever mark there inside, so you can get, let's make and I can show you. Otherwise one thing you can do it, suppose you are saving time like admin side, you are save the exam scheduling means exam mark register. So we need to add here two column new column like inside where is the mark register inside like full mark and passing mark. So we can easily get here like what is the full mark, what is the passing mark. I think is the best idea. I think we can do like this. So admin side we can create means mark register inside we can create a two column full mark and passing mark, and after we need to save here. But right now we already done, So we don't want to go, just we need to make a join query, and join query wise we can get the data. Okay, so let's go back again and we can make a join query here. So just we can pass like this, just copy like this 3 times like exam id. So here you can pass like exam id, and here we can change to mark schedule exam id to exam id, like exam scheduling to exam id. Okay, so here change, same thing you can copy paste bottom, and we can change also like class id to class id, like here also class id, here also class id. Last one we can change to subject id to subject id. So let's go to back and check again, any error generate cannot generate. Okay, here is a 6 record found first. So let's see, exam scheduling exam id, mark registered exam id, alias exam scheduling. Oh, because we need to make a alias as a exam schedule class, because we need a alias, this reason. Here we can make like as a exam schedule subjects, so we can make join query every place. Okay, so let's go back again, refresh the page. So here we can get a 1120 data. I think it's wrong, we don't want to go like this, just remove these codes. Okay, this is the like wrong way, so I don't want to teach like this stupid way. So I need to teach proper way, what is the best way. Just refresh the page, and I need to log out and I log in as an admin, and I need to add some data in a admin side first. Okay, so just refresh the page and I log out and I log in as an admin. So I just go to examination, inside need to go mark registers. So suppose I can choose first terms and I can choose part time. I click on the search. After I click on the save button, so we need to make a like what's the total passing mark, what's the total of full marks. This is the full mark and passing mark we need to add inside mark register. So let's create a 2 column here. It's not taking time, I think taking 2 or 3 minutes more, so I can show you. Okay, full marks, so we can add here full marks. Oh, sorry about that, I just need to create a 2 column because I have created only 1 column. So exam, after I need to add a 2 columns like full marks. So just here full mark, also you can here passing marks. So passing mark, here we make an integer and just pass like an as defined is equal to 0. Okay, after click on the enter, so 2 column added successfully. Now we need to go like a mark registers. So go to admin sites, inside need to go where is the examination, inside you can see it like a mark registers. Okay, so just go down and we need to add a new fields for the hiddens, same like we did here. So just copy and paste work, it's not difficult work, you can do it quickly. I just copy and I can put 2 times, and we can just passing like a, where is the table exam scheduling, so full mark. So here you can change to full mark, and here also we need to pass like a passing mark. So just change here like a passing mark. Okay, and we need to make a single save. Let's make a first multiple save explain, after I can explain single save. So what I did, we add a hidden field too, like a full mark and passing mark. Okay, after I click on the single save button, so it's just going to submit mark registers. Just go here and you can pass like this here. Just here you can copy like these lines, whatever line you can copy and paste here, and just go back again, mark register inside, and just copy full marks to full mark here, and also you can change here like a passing mark, so passing mark here. Okay, here no need is some meaning, so just this is the for a student side need to show information, this reason I am doing, otherwise we don't want to do. Student need to know okay what is the passing mark, what is the full mark. So just change here. Okay, now it's good. So single save is done. Let me show you. Same thing we can do is a teacher side. Just go to teacher sides and go to like here is the teachers. Where is the teachers? This is the admins, student, teachers. Inside need to go my timetables, not my subject, my exam timetables, my. Okay, let me check here for mark register. So just you can go mark registers and just you can add a, like here is a two hidden fields like a bottom, like here. 1 minute. Okay, yes, like here you can make a hidden fields here. Just copy this two line and put here. Now done. It's a very simple, no need to do anything else. Just after you need to close. Okay, so very well, no issue. So full mark, passing mark is a passing. Let's click on the save button and check working, not working. Okay, I just go back again, I refresh the page and I click on the save button. So you can see it, mark register successfully saved. I just go to database and I click on the mark register. So you can see it like 100, 60, 40, 60, 60. You see, working very well. Let's make now I can clear, anyone clear, like I can just clear. Okay, also I clear here, not here, here, and I click on the save button for this one. So need to works. I don't know which ID there, but I will try. Okay, I just click on the save button, so also need to work. So just go to mark registers. Inside you need to go to single save buttons. Where is the single save? Here, there. So just copy this line. I think this line, data slash schedule, and put here. So we don't need here because here we already passed data to schedule, because schedule ID we are getting. Okay, so just go back again and go to submit, single submit mark register. We are getting the also get exam scheduling. Just we need to put here same like up, just copy and put here, and here you can make it like this. And because we are already getting data inside a get single exam scheduling inside, so we don't want to pass. I think we are also getting here, but I don't remember this reason I did, otherwise no need to do, sorry about that. But okay, no problem, we already done, so we don't want to waste of time again. Just go back up and here we can make like data, and just you can change here. Okay, now done, everything is good now, no issue. I just go back again, refresh the page, and let's try. I click on the save and I already made a 00, so let's see is working, not working. So you see, working very well. I can change here marks, 21 I can do, 12 I can do, so still working. I refresh the page, so working very well. So you can see it like a 12 exam mark. Okay, so what we need to do, this one done. So let's log in again student account and we can continue mark my result, means exam results. We need to continue exam results. Sometime I forget, sorry about that. Let's log in to students and I need to go my exam results, and rest of file we need to close. No need to close because my exam results same controller there, so we don't want to go any place. And I can make dd, and now I can show you. So we are getting the like a here like passing mark also get and full mark also get. Okay, so let's create a table and we need to show how it looks show. Okay, so we are getting all the data now, so no issue. Just we need to pass here data, like here we need to create a subjects, and just we need to pass this data like this, so also work. Okay, and this is the data E, we need to pass inside a results. I will try, work not work I don't know, but I am trying. So what work not works, otherwise I can create a for each loop and we can show. Just go back again, refresh the page. Here is a 2 error there, not possible work. So we need to create here for each loop as a dollar subjects dollar exam. I think no need a subjects, otherwise we can change here like a result. No, result variable we already use here, so just we can use a dollar s is equal to array. Dollar s means the dollar subject. Now here we can pass like whatever data we need, just we need to pass here. Okay, I just make a dd again and I can print r, so I can understand what I am doing. Just okay, we already open, so we don't want to do. Just open, like what information we need. So suppose we need to make a subject name, we need, so subject name we just copy, subject name you can pass here like exam, means subject name. Also we need like lots of things needed, so I just copy paste. Exam name we need, exam we don't need, so just we need like a classwork, classwork to classworks. Test work also needs, so test work. Homework needs, so just we can change to homework. Exam needs, so exam. This is all the column we can found inside a array. You can see it like now we need a full mark and passing mark. Just we can change here full mark to full mark, and also we can change here exam to passing mark. Okay, now we need to create above one array, so we can store inside. So just we can make a data as student, no student, not subject. Subject is equal to array. We need to pass this the data as, okay, and we need to make a dollar data e. Inside we can pass like a subjects to dollar data subjects. Okay, I think everything is good. Let's refresh the page and we can check working, not working. You can see it. I think it's good. I think you can understand easily what I did. So let's refresh the page, and working very well. So you can see it like a exam name. Inside we have created like subjects. Subject inside we have found 5 array, means 6 array, 0 to started. Home economics, what is the mark he received? After you can see it like array about the mathematics, what is the mark received, what is the passing mark, what is the total mark, what is the total his marks. We can make a calculation inside. Okay, so it is not issue about that. Let's go back again, and we can continue to show inside my exam results. So everything is good. Just we need to pass like dollar data. Here you can make get records is equal to dollar result. So just we need to go student side. Inside we need to open the my exam results. So just go down, and we can make here a for each loop to years. I think let's close. We don't need, and I can remove some extra spaces. Okay, so here we can make a for each loop here to here, and I just close this one. We don't need dollar for each has a dollar value. Whatever do you want to like, you can make, because I just make a dollar value. And here I can make like a and for each, and I can print here like a exam name. Here we are using the array. This reason array wise we can print like a like this exam name. Okay, just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it like a first terms exam. Also we need to print here subject, so tr, and just we can make like td here. So just we can make another for each loop inside a t body for each to subject has a dollar exam. Whatever variable do you want to like, you can use it, but I just use here dollar exam, and here I can print means and for each and for each. Okay, I just go back again, not go, just I print like a subject name. This is the subject name, you can find out. here you can see it subject name. So just we can print here subject name. Also we have created here is the array about subject. This reason we have print means a for each loop. Dollar value means this value against subject, and we have created a new variable exam, and we can print here subject name. Okay, let's go back again, refresh the page. So you can see it like we are getting for this exam all these subjects. Now we need to show like other mark like class work, whatever mark we have stored inside a database means a admin side. So just we need to put like a class work. So just we can change here like a class work. Also like what is the mark there, test works, the test work, other whatever do you want to like flow wise we can do. And here we can change like homework, and last one we can do like a exam. Exams. Okay, so same thing we can copy paste all things for time. Like first one is a class work, so you can change here like class work. Second one is a test work, so just change to here test work. Third one is a homework, so homework, and last one is a exam, so just exam. Okay, so let's go back again, refresh the page and checks. You can see it working very well. Now we need to add it to another parameter like a passing mark and full mark. So just we can change here, means add it to hr and th, passing mark, and also we need to put here like a full mark. Okay, passing marks and full marks. We can put also like a 2 column more and just copy full mark to full mark here, and also we need to copy here passing mark to passing mark. Okay, let's go back again, refresh the page and check how it's look show. So you can see it like we are showing the class work mark, test work marks, homeworks, exam, and passing marks and full marks. So now we need to make another one. Oh sorry, means the passing marks is I went wrong, because passing mark means like full mark. Passing marks means a passing mark, just I can change the column. Okay, and now he is a received a marks. So suppose he is a full marks like 100 to he get like 16, not 16. Like we need to make here another column like total score about the 20, 10, 20 and 12. So passing marks 60, full marks 100, and what is the easiest total score. So let's create another column here. 1 minute, I am just thinking where I can put. Okay, here total score. I thought total mark, what do you want to like, I just put like a total score, and we need to make here like a sum of this score. So let's go to back again, and here we can change to total score. Okay, just go back again, we can create another variable here, dollar total score is equal to, I think I made a mistake about the spelling, is equal to exam work plus homework, test work and exam. I just now change and exam, and I also pass here like a another one total score. Okay, and I already print here like a total score, you can see it. So just go back again and refresh the page, so you can see it like a total score 62, 85. Suppose you make a sum for this one, so you can find out 85. Suppose do you want to make a sum for this one, so you can find out 18, 20, 20, 20, yes 18, 62, 92 and 18. And after we need to make like here like a pass and fail, and after bottom one we need to show like grand total, what is the he get mark for this sum, like full mark against, and after we need to show like he's a percentage, and after last one we can show he's a pass, otherwise fails. Okay, but this one we can do new video. In this video I will explain how to get a my exam result, and also what we did like exam id against, why I did like this I can show you. Okay, suppose I go to back again, and I log in as an admin, so you can easily understand. I just open the private browser because I don't want to close student one, these reasons. So I just go to examinations, mark registers, and I can go like my exam timetable. So 2023 to 2024. So this is the exam 2022 to 2024, and this is the part time, I think. Yes, so I can add like mark 20, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, because I don't want to waste of time. This is in a copy paste. I just click on the save. So some mark is going to greater, like yes. So just make like a 15, 15. This reason not saving. I just click on the save now. Okay, mark registered successfully. This is the validation is good, so you can easily use it. So just go to mark exam result, so you can see automatic found. You see first term 2023 2024. This is the 2022 2023. So you can see it like another score. You can find out. This reason we have made a looping wise. You can see it here. First we have get all the exam, like here is we have get a 2 exam now, because we have made a group by exam ID. These reasons I can show you. Okay, 1 minute inside a database. Where is the database? Here. Mark register inside, you can refresh. So 1 and 2 ID, but student ID is the same. This reason 40, 40, 40. I just back and refresh the page, so you can see it. You see, you can see it like here is the exam ID. This is the one, and where is the exam name? This is the exam name. After you can go here, so also you can see it like exam name and what is the exam ID 2, because we have made a group by this reason. Okay, so just close means remove this one and back and refresh the page. Okay, I think now clear for the my exam results. So next video we can do like a sum is a grand total. After we need to show percentage, and after we can create one grade system in admin side. So also we can show here grade like A, B, C, D, whatever grade we need to show here. And we need to provide here like a print function like a right side. So he need to print his like a result, so he can print in. But this is the one by one we can show you everything inside a student side. After we need to move all thing in a parent side, and we can like to move to inside like admin side or teacher side, so we can also move like a print function like this looks. Okay, so I hope do you want to like this video, so please like, and do you want to see like this video more, so please subscribe our channel. And next video we can continue about the calculation, percentage and grade system, lots of things we can continue. Okay, so thank you for watching.